Hey everybody, and welcome. Today's destination brings us to Plain City, Ohio, where we're getting ready to dine at
Your Dutchman.
And this is really neat. You have the option to dine in an old horse buggy here at the Dutchman. All right, guys, taking a look here at the menu. We're going to get the buffet, but we want to show you guys some other offerings that they do have here, including sandwiches, side dishes. Over here is the buffet, $16.99. Here are the dinner offerings, as well as a sampler plate and a choice of beverages to choose from. Here's a little prayer in the menu there. And we're not here for breakfast, but here are the breakfast offerings. They also have a breakfast buffet as well. And here are all the desserts to choose from. And here is the kids menu for kids 12 and under. There are the dinner selections as well as the buffet, sandwiches, side dishes. Over here is breakfast, kids. And this is for kids 12 and under. And kids who are 2 and under are free for the buffet. So that will include Henry, since he is 2. So here at the salad bar, you have the finely chopped lettuce, spinach. Down here are some carrots. Over there are some onions. You got mushrooms, cucumbers. Over here are some tomatoes, mixed cheese, chopped eggs. Over there you have some beets, and these are red pickled eggs. Thousand Island dressing. Over there you got ranch, blue cheese, Italian, French. Here's a poppy seed dressing. 3-bean salad, coleslaw, macaroni salad, potato salad, cottage cheese, and there are 2 different pie surprises, as well as croutons. And right here on the hot buffet, we have some mashed potatoes with some egg noodles. Here's some dressing, green beans, cream corn, some succotash, and some macaroni. Here's some Gerber's Amish Farm chicken, roasted chicken, ham with pineapple glaze, barbecue beef. There's certified Angus beef, roast beef. There's some beef gravy, chicken gravy, and there's some bread pudding, which looks like are just simply donuts with a little bit of sauce on top. All right, Ginger, tell us what you got there.
So I got chicken, macaroni, corn, and some ham.
Very nice. And what type of corn is that? I think it's cream corn, isn't it? And I like the cool bendy straws that come with the kids' drinks. It's pretty fun. Looks like Henry did well. And I try to get a sampling of everything. I know that's a lot, but I've got the mashed potatoes with the noodles and the chicken gravy, the ham with the pineapple glaze, corn pudding, barbecue, green beans. This is dressing, cream corn, macaroni, and right here is some roasted chicken. And I also got a salad. Got a little bit of everything on the salad. I got some beets, egg, shredded cheese.
I got a little bit of everything. Pretty much the same thing you got.
Pretty much the same thing that I got. Looks like you got some pot roast over there. Looks good. If you take a look, one thing I want to point out is the salad or the lettuce is actually chopped up already, which is a very nice touch. Henry is going in for a pickled egg. Tell us what you got there, Gentry.
So I put some peanut butter on the bread.
Some of that peanut butter. So I'm gonna try it out for the first time here. Oh, Jennifer's got some of that peanut butter too. There they go. What do you guys think?
It's good. It reminds me a little bit of that honey butter that we had the other day at the Colorado Grill.
Jennifer's now going to try the apple butter.
That's really, really good. It's not too sweet. It's just enough tart.
Now, it's been almost 15 years since I've been to a Der Dutchman, but I'm wanting to see if this apple butter still tastes the same as the apple butter that I remember from here at the Der Dutchman. It is so delicious. Now, there's another channel that we really enjoy watching, and their channel is J&B in the Hills, and we're going to leave a link in the description below to their channel. But they had recommended the peanut butter, and so I'm really excited about trying this peanut butter on some of the bread as well. It's got to be a good combination because the bread in itself is just delicious. And so I'm going to try some of the Der Dutchman peanut butter on the bread here, and I'll let you know how it tastes. That peanut butter is just like something you would find at a candy bar. It's sweet. It's a good nutty peanut butter, and it mixes very well with these nice homemade rolls. These egg noodles are so good. These are a staple for Ohio meals, and they really know how to cook them right here at the Der Dutchman. So I had to go back up for dessert. They have two different dishes that are called pie surprises. So we're all going to be surprised when we discover what these are.
So here's the green beans. Gentry and I are both really big green bean lovers, so we like to try out everyone's green beans. Brent usually doesn't like green beans that look like this because they're usually the frozen kind or the kind fresh from the garden, and they usually have like the kind of green taste to them. But these actually, they look that way, but they're really tender and they're really flavorful. I think they probably boiled them in maybe some chicken broth or something like that, but it's really good. You can tell these are fresh from the garden too.
So like Jennifer said, there's a certain type of green beans that I do enjoy, and there's a certain type of green beans that I don't enjoy. It just feels weird on my teeth, and it's usually like those frozen dark green beans. And so when I looked at those, I was like, those are those frozen green beans that just feel weird on my teeth. But those green beans were actually delicious. But now I'm going to try some of the pie surprise, and it looks kind of like chocolate pudding. There's something, some kind of white cream in here as well, but we'll taste it. I'll let you know what I think it is. So I have absolutely no idea what that was. It's definitely chocolate pudding. I don't know what the cream is, but there's little hints of nuts, which could be pecans. I'm not really sure because they were just so small. I couldn't really get a good taste. It's good. I just have absolutely no clue what it was, and maybe that's why it's called pie surprise. Here is the second pie surprise. It looks like it's blueberries, maybe some cream cheese. Some of it's on the on the table now, but I'm going to try it and let you know what I think. There are some berry seeds that are kind of mixed in, and I definitely taste a hint of raspberry also in that surprise pie. All right, guys, here is the final receipt. 2 adult buffets. Then we had a children's buffet. And here are the children's beverages as well as an iced tea. It came out to $53.43 before tip. So on the way out here, there is a bakery and candy store in Winton, Ohio. Right there are some Buckeyes. Simply peanut butter with chocolate. Here's some Der Dutchman Amish kitchen candies. Yogurt covered pretzels. And Yoder's rock candy. There's some watermelon. Peanut brittle. Here's some Dutch Delights English toffee with sea salt. That sounds really good. Here are some pies. You got some lemon meringue, chocolate peanut butter, chocolate, coconut, and there's some banana cream pie. Look at this. We've got some pretzels, fried pies. Look at those big donuts. There's some more donuts to choose from here. Some bear claw. I'm telling you, everyone is capitalizing off of the Bob Ross merchandise. And here are some of those egg noodles that we just had at the buffet. Those were really good. Here's some sweet relish, chow chow, pickles. Here's some Amish grown homemade jam, strawberry rhubarb, blackberry, raspberry, and elderberry.
Beef, it's what's for dinner.
Here's some of that peanut butter spreads, $5.39 for a small or $6.99 for a large. And they also have the apple butter available as well. Here's some coffee mugs that they have available. This one says, prayer changes everything. God is my strength of my heart. Blessed with love by the good Lord above. Here are the prices on those donuts as well as pies. Here's some Amish cheeses that they have available. Lacy Swiss cheese. All right, Gentry, what did you think about the Dutchman?
The macaroni and the chicken was my favorite, and everything just had the goodness in it.
Had the goodness in it, lots of flavor, right? Henry, what did you think, buddy?
I want the macaroni.
Macaroni was your favorite?
The chicken.
Chicken? And I know at the end you were really loving it.
Wait, mommies.
You ate a lot of mommies?
And I get.
All right, what about the...
eat cheese.
And you ate Gentry's too? What about the croutons?
It was good.
I was gonna say you ate a lot of croutons at the end too.
What about the peanut butter and the apple butter?
It was good.
I was gonna say you love the peanut butter and apple butter mixed together. Jennifer, what were your thoughts?
I really liked it. Everything was good and fresh, and the roasted chicken brought me back to a place in Wilson County where I'm from in Tennessee. Just recently closed down in the last year. It was open for about 40-something years, and the family retired, so that brought me back to that good taste.
And I really enjoyed it as well. Again, this is not the first time that we've been to a Dutchman. It's the first time that we've been to one here in Plain City, Ohio. But there used to be one in Waynesville, Ohio years ago. And I read online that it burned down in, I believe, 2016, something like that. But that is the one that we used to frequent quite often. The apple butter here is excellent. J&B in the Hills had a great recommendation for the peanut butter spread. It was very sweet, and so I looked at the ingredients. There's actually marshmallow cream mixed in with it, and so that's where it gets that real sweet consistency. It was so delicious and so good. If I could choose three things on my plate that were my favorite, definitely the egg noodles. I love the roasted chicken, and really I loved everything. There wasn't anything, not one single thing that I did not like. The surprise pies were a lot of fun, trying to really kind of just taste our way through what we were actually eating. But they were very delicious, and we would highly recommend the Dutchman. Henry wanted to add one more thing, he said. What else did you say you wanted to mention?
I like the pickles.
You like the pickled eggs, right? All right. Hey guys, we thank you so much for joining us here today at the Dutchman in Plain City, Ohio. And you'll notice we have a couple of guests with us today. These are my parents. They joined us here at the Dutchman here in Plain City, Ohio. Guys, if you've made it this far in the video and you're not already subscribed, we would be honored if you would hit that subscribe button below as well as that notification bell. And we can't wait to see you on the next episode of Every Day is Saturday.